Are you looking for the best dial indicator? Here we will break down the top 7 best dial indicator on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Türlen Test Dial Indicator. This product features easy to read 1 to 3 by 16-inch white face with black markings, 0.0005-inch graduations per line and automatic reversing. Other features are 7 jewels and durable satin chrome finish. It comes in a padded case. This dial test indicator might be a solid choice if you are looking for a basic test indicator. In general, users have a favorable opinion of the Türlen test indicator, saying that it is a good indicator for the price. Most of the users are satisfied with its accuracy, as long as the nature of the work doesn't require holding tolerances below 0.001. At number 2. Clockwise Tools DIMR0105 Dial Indicator. This is a versatile dial indicator. You can use either the flat or lug back. It comes with a 6.5mm hole. The pro-grade construction is also a plus. It has a magnetic base. The components are made using high-quality materials. It comes with 2 magnetic faces. Adjusting the scale will not be a difficult task. It has a twist and lock bezel. It comes with a screw if you want to tighten the bezel. We also love the anti-dust cap that protects the internal parts. The manufacturer offers the standard 1-year warranty for this dial indicator. At number 3. Clockwise GAP 61916 Hybrid Enhancer. This horizontal dial test indicator has 0.0005 inches graduations, 0 to 15 to 0 dial face, and 0.030 inches range. The product features 0.079 inches carbide contact point, with 3 by 8 inches stem, and a clamp nut. This 513 to 402 horizontal test indicator by Mitutoyo has fitted plastic case. It looks like a good option if you are in need of a general-purpose indicator. The majority of users find the Mitutoyo indicator to be a decent dial indicator. Consumers agree that you get the best product at a reasonable price. You can use it up to 5 years without encountering any problem. The accuracy level is quite impressive, and it continues to remain high to pass the industry certification. At number 4. Accusize Industrial Tools Magnetic Back Dial Indicator. This product is amazing to use due to the magnet. The permanent powerful magnet will help you perform a measurement with ease, and expected to able to reduce error. The indicators are AGD2 style, look back with 1x4 hole, satin chrome, and rotational bezel. The specifications and price are relatively nice. As usual, the total travel range comes with 1 inch, and the accuracy is 0.01 inch. There are 100 divisions on the larger circular scale, and 10 divisions on the smaller scale. These would make you easy to read. Besides, this model is 10.4 ounces, and the packaging dimension is about 3.2 into 3.2 into 5.5 inches. The price point is also friendly. At number 5. Triton Dial Indicator. This Triton dial indicator is the best one in the recent market. Triton comes with the best price and specification in the market. The total travel range is 1 inch, containing the accuracy up to 0.001 inch. Stem diameter and dial diameter are followed by 3 by 8 inch and 2 inches, which is similar to the Clockwise production. This model is manufactured with ANSI standards. The materials are stainless steel that ensures long mechanical life. Besides, it is 6.1 ounces weight. The package comes with 5.2 into 3.2 into 2 inches of dimensions. After all, this model is metallic, so it ensures stability, durability, and mechanical long-lasting. At number 6. Dial Indicator, Test Indicator, Magnetic Base and Point Set. It is reliably precise for the price. This 4-pieces precision inspection set includes a dial indicator, test indicator, magnetic base, and point set inspection tools. It features 13 dial indicator with 0.001 inch graduation and 3 by 8 inch stem diameter, magnetic base, with an overall height of 9 inches, on-off switch, and 130 pounds power pull, 0.030 inch dial test indicator, with 0.005 inch graduation, and 0 to 15 to 0 reading, and 22 pieces indicator point set with AGD specifications. In general, users have a favorable opinion of this dial indicator and magnetic base set, and they state that it is great value for the money. At number 7. Starrett Dial Indicator. The rugged construction of this dial indicator is a compelling reason to purchase this product. It also has a universal fit, which makes it versatile. The stem is made of hardened stainless steel. It also comes with an unbreakable crystal. Plus, with the sharp bezel serration, it is easy to grip. With all these features, you can be confident that it will remain functional and accurate even through the years. It is specifically for professional use. It has a scale on its face that runs from 0 to 100. The measuring range is up to 0.375 inch with graduations of 0.001 inch. It has a minimal deviation. The precision of this dial indicator is also notable.